Hello friends, welcome back to the Viny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we disconnect earphone to our Infinix phone device. Friends, you have connected guys any earphone with your phone and guys any Bluetooth device. And friends, now you want to disconnect it. So how can you disconnect? Today friends, I will show you. I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, we will on guys our phone setting to disconnect guys our earphone. So after on phone setting guys, you can see this type of settings. So how can we on guys phone Bluetooth setting means how can we find? Friends, you can see more connection setting guys, tap here. Friends, click on Bluetooth setting. Friends, which device guys you have connected guys, you can check from here guys. So friends, I have connected guys this Ubon company earphone neckband. So I will tap here right side icon. Friends, you can see guys this phone disconnect and forget setting. So when we will click on disconnect option guys, tap here to disconnect. Friends, your earphone will disconnect guys, you cannot use. You want to use guys, you will have to only click, then guys your earphone will connect automatic after disconnected. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect the earphone. Bye friends.